Hello, I'm Andrew Parry, Head of Sustainable Investing at Hermes Investment Management. This is a great conference. It's fantastic to see so many people from a whole range of different areas. A lot of enthusiasm and interest in this space is reflected in the attendees today. And it's a real pleasure to actually begin to see impact getting real momentum and real interest from mainstream investors. Attending today and my general interest in impact investing is really sort of comes from two areas. One, the recognition that as investors we have to understand the world in which we live and the impact we have and the activities that the companies in which we invest have on people and the planet. There's a recognition that we have responsibilities that go beyond just profits. And that is growing, with climate change, demographic change, technology change. And looking at the world through an impact lens is actually a great way of taking a forward-looking perspective on the world, for shining a light to identify exciting new opportunities. So while it helps me understand and contribute to a more sustainable, more inclusive world, it also helps me to be better at my job, to produce good risk-adjusted returns for our clients over the long term. Hermes has a long history in responsible investing. Impact investing we have come to in more recent years. We see it as a natural extension of understanding those broader responsibilities that we have as investors, both to the planet, to society, and to our beneficiaries. The great thing about impact investing and how it fits into being a responsible investor is it's all really focused on outcomes and actually addressing underserved and unmet needs. So for us, it's the natural extension of environmental, social and governance investing, ESG investing, which has been around for a while. And it really is the most developed form of investing with purpose, which sits naturally with our responsible investing credentials. The future scope for impact is in many ways without limit. You think that the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs, represent $93 trillion of potential expenditure to actually meet these underserved, unmet needs. That's a huge opportunity for growth. It's a huge opportunity for future investment, and it represents a huge opportunity to improve the lives of many, to actually improve the quality and size of the economy. So therefore, I think it's an enduring opportunity. Now, to make it real, it has to be done with integrity. Impact comes with a lot of expectations. So it has to go beyond a mere rebadging of ESG and has to recognize that it's all about changing the world for the better. In reflecting on today, I think it's really important to recognize that looking at sustainability is no longer an option. It's increasingly an imperative. Impact is the quintessential form of sustainability. It's about recognizing that we can invest in a way that will change the world and affect the lives of many. So this is no longer something that we should view as being niche. This is something that needs to be factored into the way that we all invest across all asset categories.